If we talk about the PSIR, paper 1 is the western part and the paper 2 is the Indian part. In the western part, though we might experience some static concepts, but in the Indian part there is always scope of adding more and more current affairs, because be it the topic of federalism, be it the topic of social movement, if you talk about any civil societies, pressure groups and all of that, all the constitutional bodies that are there, the functioning of the state, the legislature, the judiciary, all of that. So this has a huge overlap with the GS paper, first thing. Second thing, यहाँ पे current aspects को include करने का बहुत ज़्यादा scope था. So for paper 1, I kept my notes very static and I referred to the material of Utkarsh Dwivedi sir, Shubhra Ranjan ma'am and of Vaji Ram and Ravi. After that, for paper 2, what I did was same material was repeated, and along with that I referred to Atish Mathur sir's Magna Carta. Yes, आतिश माथुर सर का मैग्ना कार्टा सीरीज़ है जो आई थिंक यूट्यूब पे फ्रीली अवेलेबल थी बैक देन, एंड उनके पीडीएफ्स ही यूज टू अपलोड ऑन हिज टेलीग्राम चैनल. तो मैंने वहाँ से उनके सारे पीडीएफ्स डाउनलोड कर लिए थे, एंड आई यूज टू जस्ट गो थ्रू द इंपॉर्टेंट केस लॉज ही हैज़ मेंशन्ड, इंपॉर्टेंट केस स्टडीज दैट ही हैज़ मेंशन्ड, सम गुड जजमेंट ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट दैट वर गिवन, एंड आई यूज टू enrich my answers from there. So this is how I tried incorporating various dimensions while building upon the static base from that of the coaching material as well as that from the IGNOU.